Hi, this is Wayne at Printing United Expo here in Orlando, and now I have the privilege to talk to my good friend Dimitri. Dimitri,
Wayne,
as
pleasure-
ever, great to see you.
Pleasure to see you.
So here we are, your first Kongsberg trade show.
It is, absolutely, yes.
And how's it gone? We're a day and a half in. Is it going okay?
It's going
looks
very
pretty
well.
busy.
Yeah, it's actually very busy. First day we already exceeded our targets in terms of leads and sales, so
Right.
we have a prime location, let's say. So
Yeah,
if you
yeah,
come
yeah.
inside in the hall, you immediately bump into Kongsberg. So it's
Yeah.
been great. Everything's working as planned.
Good.
Applications are running, so yeah,
That's
amazing.
always a plus.
It's always a plus.
So what specifically are you showing here? I mean, you've got working machines all over the booth.
Yeah.
What can people expect to
Yeah.
see?
Basically, what they can expect is that we bring not only tables, but we bring expertise in terms of materials.
Right, okay.
We talk to customers about service, about training, etc.
Right.
But in terms of technology, we brought three major platforms.
Right.
First one on that side is the Kongsberg Entro, which, as the name says, is an entry-level platform
Right.
that we developed for routing and cutting. It can also obviously mill all kinds of sign and display applications,
Right.
from roll up to sheets. So this is a really entry level. So it's everything that Kongsberg does,
Yeah.
what people are used to, the quality and the precision,
Right,
but at
okay.
an entry level price point. So this
Right.
is what we want to show here, that there's a Kongsberg basically for every investment level.
Right.
On the-
So is this new to the US market?
Yes, absolutely. It's the first time that we showed on a
Right,
global
okay.
show, actually. So
Right.
yeah, it's been out a couple of months, but now it's the first time that we actually show it.
Right.
It comes in two sizes. There's even a smaller version of this available for sample making and people who really want to test the waters, let's
Right,
say.
okay.
But this is already quite a robust table. Given the dimensions, it can handle the majority of the applications,
Right, okay.
both in rigids and flexible. So.
Right. So run through the applications for this then. I mean, I noticed that the guy's loading foam up at the moment. So
Yeah.
is there a minimum and a maximum for this?
Well, it can cut rigid materials, it can cut flexible materials, so we're cutting foam board over
Right,
there, composite board, it can do plexi materials or acrylic materials, self-adhesive vinyl, roll to roll. So
Right.
there's basically no limitations
limitations,
that
right.
you can do in terms of sign and display materials.
Right,
Yeah.
okay.
On that side, we have actually our most productive table. That's the Ultimate. It's an award-winning table. We have 3 awards. We have the Pinnacle, the EDP,
Right.
and also the Red Dot, the Design Award for it. So
Right,
it's a
okay.
pretty cool machine.
Very impressive.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's actually majority, or the main target has been the packaging, corrugated,
Right.
and folding carton market.
Yeah.
But it's so versatile that we brought it here to the Sign and Display Show because it's functioning in a roll-to-roll setup. So it's cutting canvas. It can cut stickers, as you see there, or
Yeah.
self-adhesive materials. So it's fully automated. Let's say we can automate it with feeders and stackers and robotics. We
Right,
can
okay.
obviously not bring that here,
Yeah, yeah.
but that's actually the second highlight of the show, to show that yeah, we have everything from entry level to very high-end tables.
Right,
now.
okay.
And then at the back end of the booth, there is everything sign and display related, but on a CNC router. So it's the Apex 3R Evo from Multicam, which is the second brand we have within Kongsberg Precision Cutting
Right,
Systems.
so they're part of the Kongsberg
Absolutely,
organisation, aren't they?
they're
Right,
so
okay.
we acquired them 4 years ago. They're based in Dallas, Texas. So everything
Okay.
is built and designed in the US, basically.
Which could be beneficial.
It is beneficial in these times.
Yeah.
So there's also a sticker made in the USA on
Okay,
it. So
right.
and that's more for the industrial heavy density or high density materials, for wood milling, for aluminium composites, for
Right, okay.
all kinds of let's say the more heavy materials,
Right.
CNC routing that you would maybe not be able to do on a normal Kongsberg.
Right, okay.
So showing a lot of applications there on flexi, aluminium. There's some nice tapping features that's very well established in the sign and display market.
Right. So when PSPs are coming in, they're actually asking you more application-based
Yes,
questions.
yeah, indeed, yeah.
And that's the conversations that you really want to be having.
That's a conversation. So the table is it's the end point, selling a table, but there's the full trajectory up front. Analyzing with the customer what application are you doing,
Right.
showing them how they can do it in the most efficient way. If we can automate some of their workflows, for example,
Yeah.
if it is a canvas, if it is a plexi,
Yeah.
if it is a foam board, so what are you struggling with and how can you help? So
Right.
that's actually the starting point.
Yeah, no, it's brilliant. I mean, it's a busy stand. I mean, I've walked past a few times. I'm sure you're going to have a great week.
A lot of work.
Dimitri, as ever.
Thank you so much, Wayne, for your
bear
time.
in mind how long you've been with Kongsberg. You've grasped a lot of information in a short period. I wish
do
you
my
all
best.
the best.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
Yeah.
Thank you.